Alright everyone, so we're here. I'm going to be taking down this pony wall. It's very simple. This is probably going to be a dumb video. Probably won't even be a video, but I'm going to make it anyway. I actually already started. Basically all you're going to need is a sledgehammer, at least for this one. You're going to need a sledgehammer. You're supposed to wear gloves. I don't usually wear gloves. Usually don't wear shoes either, but today I am. So I actually already took this off, but I'll show you how to do that. And let me bring this around. So first you're going to want to make sure that there's no electric or anything in the wall, which as you can see here there isn't. So there's no electrical outlets or anything going on there. So that's important. And then once you confirm that, then you can get started. So I just take a sledgehammer for this piece. I wanted to just pop it up, so I just hit along the edges here, and eventually I just pop right off. Alright, there's a bunch of nails underneath, a bunch of nails that go on the top. There's some 2x4s up top. So you're just going to want to make sure that you get that piece off. Show you the 2x4s right there. Inside it should be hollow. You can see the 2x4s actually connect, or don't connect right there on the wall, but there's other 2x4s going up and down the wall there. And these are pushed up against those. They're not the same though, they're not connected. So. Alright, then you're going to take your 2x4. I'm sure you've probably seen this on HGTV or Property Brothers or something. So you just do a little push like that until eventually you bust a hole in it. Like that. It's so long, so you hear this noise. It's a little more solid. That means there's a 2x4 there. So you just want to bust this out some. And you look around, make sure there's no electrical or anything in there. So because there's a 2x4 here, we know this is going to be hollow. Just going to bust this out. Again, just check in there. It's empty, so that's it. So now we're just going to take this out. You can also put some upper thrust on this thing. Eventually it'll come out. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started here. I'll probably do this on a fast forward motion type video. Actually, I think I'm going to lower the camera here so that you can see it some more, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go through this, bust it out, and that. And then there's going to be cleanup afterwards, obviously. You're going to want to get like a shop vac or something to vacuum up all the mess. Then you're going to have to replace the drywall and everything. So there is some cleanup. If you have baseboards, you're going to want to take those baseboards out. Right now there aren't baseboards in here, but you're going to want to take those baseboards out. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun with your project. It is a lot of fun, satisfying. So projects are always good. All right, thanks guys. Enjoy. just like that, the wall is down. It's opened up this space a lot. So again, there's gonna be some cleanup, which I'm not gonna videotape because it's super boring, but there will be some cleanup of all the remnants down here. These two boards need to come out. So you got these two boards, which are not connected to the boards here. And there's these boards down here, which are connected to these, but again, not to these. So should be fine. I'm gonna take a razor's edge, cut out that piece of drywall here, and clean up this mess. And then that's it. So it's pretty simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Click that like button, hit the comments on something you'd like to see in the future, whether it's a construction project, whether it's fixing something, whether it's a vacation somewhere, which, you know, I would love if you put something about vacation on there, because, you know, it's always fun going away. But no, I like working, so just comment below what you want to see in a video coming up, and I'll try to do it for you. All right, thank you. See you guys.